London Biscuits Berhad Malaysia is a business that are family owned. The company are small and medium enterprises with activities in trading, manufacturing and retailing contributes RM 521.7 billion of the nation's gross domestic product. Tajid knowledge is important in creating new product in the next generation. To survive and grow even during the economic crisis, various strategies have been adopted by London Biscuits Berhad to nurture differentiated innovation, crafting good strategies to meet the dynamic market needs. Invested in new technology and forming the strategic alliances through partnership certainly make a difference in family business. The following generation combine both third-tier education and touched knowledge to further improve the original product by adding values to it. To ensure an effective skill in valuing touched knowledge converted into explicit knowledge, London Biscuits Berhad used family legacy and professional management practices, aiming to install new values and in management without straying away from the founders' practices. The next generation encouraged the siblings to work with the staff to dive in knowledge dissemination and omit practices, which limits innovation capabilities. This allowed them to improve 3M's, modernize technology, and explore new markets in China, Hong Kong, and UAE countries, which enables London Biscuits Berhad to maintain its position as a market leader. At the same time, London Biscuits Berhad established foreign partnership with the network who were keen to expand the current market with distribution points by focusing in R&D. Dr. Liu Yu-chung quoted that, "My father always taught me that networking is working. I did study in the United States and found out many Asian groceries products are going through Hong Kong before getting available in the United States. Given spread of the population in China, we aim to use Hong Kong as a platform to enter the mainland market, to serve as the launching pad of London Biscuits business on the mainland. We seek partnership with contribution in Hong Kong, particularly companies with many distribution points, ideally composed of 2,000 to 3,000 outlets. Therefore, siblings partnership is important to run our business without any culprit, merely based on trustworthy built up in the family. Sustainable competitive, based on the fit to strategic and fit to market. London Biscuits Berhad bought the Six Factory and acquired Kinos. This company managed to acquire 25% stake in Leihong, which is integrated poultry farming company to produce pasteurized liquid eggs. London Biscuits Berhad continues its success by acquiring a majority stakeholding in Kisan. To exploit opportunities for sustainable competitive advantage, the founder of London Biscuits Berhad finally re-established its market position through innovation, reinvention, and adaptation. The next generation believed that the firm's product portfolio can match the customer's needs more suitable if there is a fit to market between an organization form and its market structure. The fit to market connected to the fit to strategy did exhibit the necessary strategic changes in the 3Ms. To expand its cake production activity, Dr. Liu Qiu-hin strongly argued, London Biscuits Berhad is the only manufacturer using pasteurized eggs for the cake manufacturing. Even though it's at some cost, we think that it is worth it to ensure quality and hygienic for our customers, both in domestic to international markets. We need to acquire companies that are related to our primary business and crucially transfer technology that will fit into our strategy. Hence, this is done by streamlining all the processes under one roof. Since Kinos became a subsidiary of London Biscuits Berhad, the production capacity utilization of the company has boosted to 48.99%, while capacity utilization of the cake lines has rocketed over 50%. In 2008, London Biscuits Berhad introduced new product, namely London Chocolate Roll and Milk Roll cake products, and bought its ninth factory. In the following year, the company launched a new line of potato chips range. The main problem challenge faced by the London Biscuits Warehouse is the current financial year ending 30 June 2011 to be another challenging year. Net profile net profile fell more than 80% to RM 8, 804,000 for third quarter ended 31 March 2011 against RM 4.03 million a year ago, owing to the weakening in Malaysia ringgit and rising of raw material costs. Based on Chapter 6, New Trade Theory, we are going to investing in R&D. R&D is a major component of the total cost of high technology product. For example, Airbus has spent more than 12 billion developing in super jumbo jet, the A380. Firms in the computer, pharmaceutical, and semiconductor industries also spend large amount on R&D to maintain their competitiveness. Because of such large entry, other firms often hesitate to compete against established firms. Thus, the firm that acts first often gains a first move advantage. However, knowledge does not have a nationality. Firms that invest upfront and secure the first move advantage have the opportunity to dominate the world market for goods that are intensive in R&D. National competitiveness and trade flows may be determined by which firms make the necessary R&D expenditures. Why is the EU a large importer of commercial aircraft? Because Airbus is one of the few firms willing to spend the large sums of money required to develop new aircraft, and because it is headquartered in Europe. Firms with large domestic markets may have an advantage over the foreign rivals in high technology. Because these firms often are able to obtain quicker and richer feedbacks from customers. With the feedbacks, firms can fine-tune their R&D efforts, enabling the firms to better meet the needs of their domestic customers. This knowledge can then be used to serve foreign customers. For example, United States agriculture chemical producers such as Monsanto and Eli Lilly have an advantage over Japanese rivals in developing soybean pesticides, because in the US, markets for such pesticides is large, but the Japanese market is small. Knowledge gained in the US pesticide market can be readily transferred to meet the needs of Japanese farmers. Porter theory of national competitive advantage. We're going to firm strategy, structure, and rivalry. The domestic environment in which firms compete shapes their ability to compete in the international market. To survive, firms facing vigorous competition domestically must continuously strive to reduce costs, boost product quality, raise productivity, and developing innovative products. Firms that have been tested in this way often develop the skills needed to success internationally. Many of the investment they have made to succeed in the domestic market, for example in R&D, quality control, brand image, and employee training, that are transferable to international markets at low cost. Such firms have an edge as they expand abroad. According to Porter's theory, the international success of Japanese automakers and consumers electronics manufacturers and the Hollywood film studios is aided by intense domestic competition in the firm's home countries. Porter holds the national policies may also affect firms internationally strategies and opportunities in the more suitable ways. Consider the German automobile market. German labor costs are high, so German automakers find it difficult to compete internationally on the basis of price. As most auto enthusiasts know, however, there are no speed limits on many stretches of Germany's famed autobahns. So German automakers such as Daimler-Benz, Porsche, and BMWs have chosen to compete on the basis of quality and high performance by engineering chassis, engines, brakes, and also suspension that can withstand that, that can withstand the stresses of high-speed driving. These firms dominate the world market for high-performance automobiles. Porter's theory is a hybrid. It blends the traditional country-based theories and the emphasized factors in domain with the firm-based theories that focus on the action of individual firms. Countries play a critical role in creating an environment that can aid or harm the ability of firms to compete internationally. But firms are the actors that actually participate in international trade. Some firms succeed internationally, others do not. Porsche, Daimler-Benz, and BMW successfully grasped the opportunity presented by Germany's decision to allow unlimited speeds on the highway and captured the high-performance niche of the worldwide automobile industry. Opel chose to focus on the broader middle segment of the German automobile market, ultimately limiting its international option. In summary, no single theory of international trade explains all the trade flows among countries. The classic country-based theory are useful in explaining industry trade of homogeneous, undifferentiated products such as agriculture goods, raw materials, processed goods like steel and aluminium. The firm-based theories are more helpful in understanding industry trade of heterogeneous differentiated goods such as Samsung smartphones and Caterpillar bulldozer, many of which are sold on the basis of their brand names and reputation. In many ways, Porter theory synthesizes the feature of the existing country-based and firm-based theories. It is also explained another important phenomenon of international competition, the regional clustering of firms within an industry, which is discussed in Venturing Abroad. To review all of the London biscuits were had, previous works claimed that family members are not actively involved in business even for Malaysian firms. Demonstrated through London biscuits were had that second generation entrepreneurs with good educated played vital roles in management as well as research and development. There are difficulties to enhance and maintain the sustainability of competitive advantage in 3Ms, owing to tacit knowledge transformation, which challenges the innovation capacity during the generation change. The key success factors are the next generation upgraded their skills frequently, stayed updated with technology, improve production or variety of the signature product, and create a trusted brand image domestically and internationally. From a practical point of view, London Biscuits Berhad showed that tacit knowledge transferred from a founder to the next generation is important but not sufficient for advancing the knowledge innovation. It should be combined with the knowledge gained outside the family business. Demonstrated that the capacity in innovation can be developed effectively when superiors are transparent with their expectations and share clear goals with their staff. Planning a foolproof strategy revolving 3Ms could increase a company innovative capacity. This is accordance with the previous study which dictated that tacit knowledge is best transformed in close interpersonal relationship with each other. Clearly indicated that family enterprise may last several generations if the Chandlerian perspective on 3Ms is successfully transferred and practiced among family members.